Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. In our last class, what we have seen? Can you remember? In our last class, we have seen that perimeter, right? So perimeter, it is nothing but the total length along the boundary. Okay, that is called perimeter. So we have seen the different kinds of shapes. So what are the shapes? The first one, we have seen that square. What is the perimeter of the square? Can you say the answer? So square, all the sides are equal. That means the number of sides are 4 sides. So 4 times of sides, 4a. That means perimeter of that square. So what will be the perimeter of that rectangle? So rectangle, you know already, two that opposite sides are equal. So 2 length plus 2 breadth. So if we take 2 outside, means 2 into L plus B. Okay. In the today's session, I welcome you all. So in today's session, so we are going to see that area of that different kinds of shapes. Okay. So our chapter, we already know that mensuration. So in that mensuration, so that today's concept is what is area. Okay. So generally area means we represent a particular place, right? Even in the practical life, we will say where is your area? Our area will be near one landmark. Okay, we will say one famous landmark, right? But here in mathematics, how the area will be, they are saying. Okay, so here in generally geometry, the area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shapes or surface of an object. Okay, I'm saying it is nothing but it is a flat surface, that is called area. For example, see that here in my mobile. Okay, so this is a flat surface. No, so in this flat surface, we are call it as area. Okay, so the space occupied by a flat surface. Okay, so almost it looks like a rectangle shape. No, the mobile and all. So this is called that area, the flat surface area, the flat surface. Okay, that should be considered as area. Okay, so any other manner we can say, sir, the area of a figure is the number of unit squares that can cover the surface of a closed figure. For example, see here, I will say that area is measured in square units such as square centimeters, square feet, square inches, etc. These are the different units they are following. Okay, in the first one, area, I said that it is nothing but space occupied by a flat shapes. Okay, flat surface, that's also area. Where, sir, you will see area? Any other? Okay, you like puppet, right? Puppets and all. What kind of shape it is? We take it as circular shape. Okay, you will take circular shape. So while you are tapping that puppets, okay, the puppets, if you are just touch with your hand, the puppets means it is simply nothing but a flat surface. No, so that's also considered to be an area. Okay, so the area of a figure is number of unit square that cover the surface of the closed figure. So in a closed figure, how many small 1 centimeter square is there? For example, in the graph sheet, you know, in that graph sheet, if you are taking the graph sheet, a lot of small box is there. No, small box. Just take your scale and measure that side value. Okay, how much it will come? Exactly, it will come 1 centimeter value. Okay, so in that one side, this side 1 centimeter, that side 1 centimeter, this side 1 centimeter, and the 4 side also 1 centimeter is there. Okay, suppose if you are plotting that 5 centimeters square in the graph, just take a scale, any one in that graph. In that any one point you can take it as a reference. From that 5 centimeter you can mark, and here 5 centimeter, here 5 centimeter, and here 5 centimeter. Count the number of squares, number of small squares totally. Okay, so how much will come? You have taken 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter side value, and you have taken that, and you will measuring that. What is your measuring? So you are measuring that number of small square. So how much will come? Any guess? Exactly 25 it will come. You just count it. Okay, anyway, so that is the number of small square which can be called as that area. Okay, if you are taken any figure, any shapes, how many 1 centimeter square is there? That is considered to be your area. Okay, So area, what is that formula, what kind of shape in your book they given? So in your book they given that square. Okay, you know already that square means all the sides are equal. Okay, what is square area? The square area should be, see here, here also a, here also a. So 4 times of here a. If you are considering total length, that is considered to be a perimeter. But what would be your area means, what is your here, this side, this length alongside and this breadth alongside. Okay, generally if we multiplied, see here, a into a square. So totally that area should be considered as a square. Okay, sir, how sir they can predict a square means? See here, if you take the scale and put one vertical line here, 1 2 3 4 likewise. Okay, and here also 1 horizontal wise, 2 3 4. So now just count how many that point is there, 1 2 3 4 will be there. Same way here, 1 2 3 4. If you count the inside, how many small 1 centimeter box is there? Totally 16 will come. Okay, so that only they are multiplying this value and this value. Okay, any two value, if you multiply means you will get that area, because in the horizontal wise what is the value, in the vertical wise what is the value, that should be your area. Okay, so area formula a into a square. Okay, so the next one, so rectangle. So in the rectangle, as you know already that, so what is meant by rectangle? So there are two opposite sides are equal. Okay, that means two lengths are equal and two breadths opposite breadth, that side also equal. Okay, so the longer one I can measure here, I can mention here as it is length, and b represent breadth. Okay, so breadth or width, anything you can take. Okay, so the longer one length, the shorter one breadth or width. Okay, so this is your, the blue color, this region represent the area. And one more thing, in your higher class, okay, in your higher class, if you ask to your brother, okay, what will be the area and volume difference? Area means it is only we are considering two-dimensional object, two-dimensional of an object. Okay, two-dimensional means what, sir? If you are considering only the flat surface, for example, yes, this, if I take the mouse, okay, so this, in this mouse, see here, length also present and some breadth also present, some height also present. Okay, so that means this is a three-dimensional shape. Okay, three-dimensional body. Okay, so if you are considering only that length and breadth means that is considered to be a two-dimensional body. Okay, for example, in the sheet, okay, if you are taking the white sheet, in the white sheet we are considering only length and breadth, the thickness almost would be negligible, so we are not considering, so we can take it as it is considered to be area, that flat surface, that region. Okay, okay, so today we will see that few problems based on that square and rectangle area. So anyway, the rectangle area formula is length and breadth. So L represent length and B represent breadth. You can mention as it is W also. W means width. Okay, okay, so rectangle. So here we will see few problems. So the first problem, find the area of rectangle in which length equal to 6 centimeter and breadth equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so here we have taken, so that given length value 6 centimeter and breadth value 7 centimeter. So area of rectangle, length into breadth, that is that formula. Okay, so 6 into 7, 42 centimeter square. Okay, just apply the value, what is the length and what is the breadth. So length is 6 centimeter, breadth is 7 centimeter. Area of rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth. If you multiply the two means, you will get the answer. Okay, okay, the next one, hence the area of the rectangle is 42 centimeter square. Okay, that's the final answer. Okay, and the next problem, find the cost of fencing of a rectangular field 20 meter long and 35 meter wide at 6 per meter. Okay, so that means cost is 6 per meter. So in this problem, how to solve? First, the length of the field, what is the given value? 20 meter. Breadth of the field 35 meter. So that perimeter of that field 2 into L plus B. Okay, so 2, if you are adding that 2 means 2 into 55 meter and 110 meter. So this is the perimeter based problems. Anyway, I'll just simply revise this one. Okay, one problems. So cost of fencing per meter, this kind of, why I am mentioning here means if you are calculating the cost of fencing per meter, you have to find the perimeter and then you have to multiple the values. Okay, same this kind of problem, we have to find the area and then we have to calculate total cost. Okay, this is for your the previous case. Okay, I mentioned. Okay, so find the area of square. So based on this method, we have to find the area of the field in the following session. Just okay, just listen here and find the area of the square plot of 2.5 centimeter. Okay, what will be that? First one, the sides of square 2.5 centimeter, area of square equal to side into side. So side into side centimeter square. Okay, so which is equal to what is the given value? 2.5 centimeter. So 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. So what is this value? So just how to multiple 2.5 into 2.5? Just forget about the point. First multiple 25 into 25. Okay, so 25 into 25, if you multiply it means you will get 625. Then after here decimal point, here only no, in the right side how many digit? Decimal point right side, here one digit only present no, and here one digit only present no, so 1 plus 1 totally 2 digit present. Okay, so from here 1 2, that means right to left 1 2, you will make the point here. So 6.25 centimeter square. Hence the area of the square plot is 6.25 centimeter square. Okay, so this is your answer. And the next problem, the area of the rectangular piece of the cardboard is 36 square meter and its length is 9 centimeter. What is the width of the cardboard? So here the area is given already. So length also mentioned and width only we have to find. So if we need to width, so first what to do? Just see here. Okay. So the area of the rectangle 36 square meter, it is the given value. The length is 9 centimeter and the width is we have to find. So area of the rectangle, so A which represents area, the short letter. So area equal to the length into breadth. Okay, so this is L. Okay, sorry to this one. This is the L. Okay, L value, L into B. Okay, L into B means, so here 36 square meter. So 36 we have to write. So 36 which is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so length given value 9 centimeter and the breadth or width we have to find. So here I take as breadth, it's not a problem. Okay, so B, so 9 into B, so 9 multiplied by B here, so 9 automatically it will come down. So 36 divided by 9, because 9 is multiplication no, so we have to find the value of B alone. So 9 will come down, so it will come division. So 36 divided by 9, in 36 how many 9 will be present? Can you guess? Yes, so 4, yes, 1 9s are 9 and 4 9s are 36. So the value B equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, so the given breadth value, that means we found the value of the breadth is 4 centimeter. So shall we check the problem whether the answer is correct or not? Means take this B value and place here. Okay, 9 into 4. What is the value of 9 into 4? Do you know that value? Multiplication of 9 into 4. So if you multiplied 9 into 4, you will get 36. So here also 36, here also 36. So that case, both side also 36 and 36 came, means our answer will be correct. So this kind of problem, just think about area of square which is equal to A square, okay, or side square. Okay, and area of that rectangle means length and breadth. If you multiplied length and breadth means we will get that area of the rectangle. So from the given data we have to identify the length and breadth, and if we substitute and find the value of area of rectangle. Okay, so this kind of problems it will be there in your book also. So few problems is there, few problems I will give as a homework also in the upcoming slides. Okay, anyway, up to this slide you know how to find the area. Okay, so the next slide you will see now some more problems. So just we will see. Okay.